Good morning, teacher and friends. My name is Ho Wing. We are from Team 10. Our project addressed a common problem. KIU students struggle to decide where to eat, often waste time searching for restaurant or checking menu. To solve this, we apply design thinking, which helps us identify the problem, understand the user needs, and develop a practical solution. So we can see in this slide, we've created an empathy map to analyze student behavior. Many students say, I don't know where to eat while thinking about affordability and convenience. They often feel frustrated and indecisive, leading them to ask friends, search online, or walk around looking for restaurants. Their insight confirm the student need for a faster, more reliable way to find the dining option. For us to find the root cause, we use the five-way technique. Students struggle to decide because they don't know their option. This happens because there is no centralized restaurant information, forcing them to check multiple sources, which is time-consuming. Ultimately, this highlights the need for a dedicated platform for QIU students, which became the focus of our solution. Lastly, through the empathy mapping and the 5 ways, we validate the problem and refine our solution. With this insight, we develop a prototype that simplifies restaurant selection for QIU students. Next, my group mate will explain how we designed and tested our solution. Thank you.
So my name is Emily Gophimin. I am from the Bachelor of Finance course, and I will be talking about the method that we have used to obtain information regarding users' needs to figure out what features that we have to implement in our prototype website. So the method that we use to collect information is Google Forms for our convenience, and we have gained a total of 16 respondents. And in this form, we have asked them regarding their personal details, for example, whether they're a local or international student, their ages, their food preferences, and so on. So we have asked them how they would feel about having a complete guide of restaurants nearby QIU, and also how they feel their behaviors and mannerisms when deciding what to eat during break times in uni. So, for example, we have also asked them what aspects that they value the most when they're visiting any restaurants or any F&B outlets, like cleanliness, customer service, and so on. And through that, we have gathered responses in this Google Sheet shown in this slide, and we have used this information efficiently in creating our prototype, which we will see later on in this presentation.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kale Malar, and I am from Bachelor of Psychology. I am going to talk about the problem statement and the solution description. So, the context in this problem statement is students have a hard time deciding what to eat during their break times between classes, and the users here is QIU students. And the alternatives are students can still manually research on restaurants nearby, and the emotional impact when they feel that they could not find anything to eat is frustrated and perplexed. And the alternative shortcomings is students take a longer time to make a final decision along with possibly outdated information. So when we put it all together, during break time and between classes, QIU students who are indecisive are frustrated when deciding what to eat, and that is the problem, and they spend minimum 10 to 15 minutes to try to make a decision on what they want to eat. So here we came up with the solution to create an app only for QIU students who has difficulty in choosing a place to eat, and these are the users who can just check out the menu and environment through the app without going physically to the restaurant. This saves time and energy for the students, and the benefit we get from this is students get to save time by not physically going to the shop to check if the restaurant is open or not, and they get to save their energy by checking out if their favorite food is available. Thank you.
And now I will explain about the prototype. We actually came up with this idea to build an app or a website where students will not have difficulties in choosing their restaurants for lunch. So the first step is main menu. As soon as they click on that app, the main menu page appears. So the second step is, if they click on the most left up corner, there is a drop-down menu from that app. In the drop-down menu, students can actually choose the filters such as the price range, the distance to the shop. For step 3, students can actually type in the search box to see whether their restaurant is open or closed. There is also some recommended restaurants in the app where students can actually choose from. For step 4, students can actually click on one certain restaurant to check in more details about the restaurants. They can also check out the menus and the price. The next steps will be presented by the next presenter.
Hi, I'm Brian Pumanken from BCS. Now I will explain about the fifth step. So the fifth step will be the search feature, which allows quick filtering based on location or cuisine, making it easier to find specific restaurants. For example, in here, user can find a restaurant called The Mali Cafe by using only the search bar. It will appear the relevant searches and the detailed restaurant information such as the restaurant description and location. Lastly, user can also click on the love shape on the top right corner, which is the ongoing promotions that highlights discounts and special deals, helping students to save money while picking their favorite restaurant at the same time. Overall, these prototype features work together to simplify decision making and improve the overall user experience for QRU students. In conclusion, our project successfully applies design thinking to solve a real problem faced by QRU students. We have completed all stages, including prototyping, user testing, and feedback collection. Based on the responses, our solution effectively simplifies the decision-making process for students looking for nearby restaurants. So this project has not only strengthened our technical skills, but also improved our teamwork, problem solving, and communication abilities. With all stages completed, we are confident that our final prototype will provide a practical and user-friendly experience for QRU students. That's all from us. Thank you.